This is a 2010 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a sunroof, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a chrome grille, traction control, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Andy Mohr Ford Lincoln is the place to find new Ford and Lincoln cars and trucks and pre-owned vehicles in Indianapolis. You can search our new and pre-owned inventory online, get new car pricing, and receive free no-obligation price quotes. Stop by and visit us today at 2713 East Main Street in Plainfield, or see us online at andymohrford.com.